Hey folks, NiteCore here, and today we are doing another unboxing. I wasn't planning on doing an unboxing of the purchase, but the guys gave me such good service I wanted to mention them in the video. We are unboxing the NiteCore NPS200. I will put a link in the description where you can buy this one in South Africa. I bought it from NiteCoreSA, and Louis and his wife Celesti gave me such good service and advice yesterday and today. I wanted to give a shout out to them. Firstly, I ordered it this morning at about 9 o'clock, 9:15, and the package arrived here at 3 this afternoon. So excellent service from there, and they kept me up to date via emails with the tracking of the package as well. So let's get to it. As usual, trusty Leatherman unpackaging tool. Okay, so off the bat, this is unexpected. A NiteCore cap and what seems to be a NiteCore pen, or yes, ballpoint pen. Thanks Louis and Celesti for the cap and the ballpoint pen. That was unexpected. Ha, awesome. Just the small things, eh? The small things. And then in the box, nicely bubble wrapped, and here we have the NPS200. Like that. NiteCore Portable Outdoor Power Station, NPS200. The specs on the box just says, I'm going to read it with this one for you. 200 watt hour high capacity, 150 watt pure sine wave AC output, USB-A, QC 3.0 output, I think that's quick charge, and USB-C PD output. Cigarette lighter output, DC output, USB-A output, USB-C PD output, DC input, AC output, LCD display. Don't know what any of that means yet. Compatible devices: smartphone, laptop, tablet, fridge, camera, drone, TV. All-purpose applicable, travel, medical, family backup, filming. Specifications: 18650 lithium-ion batteries, 196.5 watt hour, and it is a 54,600 milliamp hour capacity. DC input is 14.4 volt up to 10 amp. AC output, this is a 220 volt version because we're in South Africa. In South Africa we use, I think, 210 to 240 volt. The output is 150 watt. Cigarette lighter output is 12 volt 10 amp. DC output is 12 volt 10 amp. If you use the cigarette lighter and the DC output together, it's a total of 120 watt. USB output is 5 volt 2.4 ampere. USB QC, which I assume is quick charge output, is 5 volt 2.4 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere. 18 watt max. USB-C output 15 volt at 3 ampere, 9 volt at 3 ampere, 12 volt at 3 ampere, 15 volt at 3 ampere or 20 volts at 3 ampere. 60 watt max. Operating temperature -10 to +40 degrees Celsius, and that is 14 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, the package has been opened, but they do tell us on their website, and Louis also told me that they do open and read and charge everything and test everything before they send it to us, so it makes sense. Universal socket, type C plug, and voltage version is 220 volts. Okay, let's open the box. Here's a nice neoprene bag. I don't know what's in it. Let's see. Okay, so in the neoprene bag we have, I would assume this is a charger, power supply, and a 2-point adapter. And there is a cigarette adapter, I assume also to charge it with, and a user manual, all in a nice neoprene baggie. I like this. Over here we have a adapter. Very good strong foam to protect your battery pack. And here is the battery pack, the NiteCore NPS200. First impression, I thought it was black, but I really like this color. It's like an anodized green, metallic green kind of color. It's not a light power bank, it definitely has some weight to it, and I like it. On the bottom it has basically all the specs we read on the box. Yes. Okay, when you shake it, you do hear the buttons. And this is I'm not sure what plug this is. It's a universal socket, but that is why they give this adapter with it. So universal socket for AC, and then we'll use it like that. So I know this is the power button because I've read the manual beforehand. So this, according to the little screen, the battery is charged to 89% already. But this is an unboxing video and not a review, so I'm not going to go through all the specs and how everything works, because I don't know yet. What I do know is we have 4 USB outs, so like your power bank, of which one is a quick charge, this orange one, and we have a USB-C over there. And these are the buttons you use to switch on the sections. So you can switch on the USB sockets or the AC socket all together. I don't know yet, maybe you can, maybe you're not allowed to or supposed to, but I'll get to that when we do when I do the review of this product. So this way around, this is the NiteCore NPS200 battery pack. I will play around with it a bit and then I will do a review on it. Again, I want to thank Louis and Celesti from NiteCoreSA for all the information they gave me. I had a bunch of questions before I bought this and they were very helpful. And the delivery and the service was excellent. As I said, I ordered it this morning at 9 o'clock, 9:15, and it arrived at my door at 20 to 3 this afternoon. So, thank you guys for your service. Folks, as usual, I'm NiteCore. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be back with a review on this product. Ciao.